Wondering what you can do with those overripe bananas? I can tell you what to do with those overripe bananas. Peel them and freeze them. They're perfect for smoothies. They make it cool and refreshing and extra healthy. That's what you can do with those overripe bananas. I place a gallon-sized Ziploc in the freezer and store my frozen bananas. Sometimes you have to cut the top off, discard the peel. Don't worry about how gross it looks. It looks like it's actually ready for banana nut bread. I break them in half to make it easier for another time. Today we'll be making a healthy protein drink. I'm going to be using the frozen bananas, an orange, an organic protein drink, some ground cold milled flaxseed, and some chia seeds, and everyone's favorite, peanut butter. You can use creamy or crunchy, whichever you prefer. We'll need some crushed ice and of course some water. Let's get going. I have peeled the orange and we have our frozen bananas, and I will be placing them in the NutriBullet containers along with the orange. And I'll probably stop right here. Before I put everything in there, I'm going to put a tablespoon of flaxseed, a tablespoon of the chia seeds, and a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter. You might need to use another spoon to help encourage that peanut butter to come off that spoon. And we will put a little more orange in there. We will put some crushed ice in here. Pour a little water in to the fill line. And we will repeat in our other container. Again, a tablespoon of flaxseed, which is a great source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acid, and the chia seeds, which are also even a better source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acid. A little bit more peanut butter for this one because it is a bigger container. Crushed ice, some water, I did push down these ingredients to make room for our protein powder. Just find a protein powder of your choice, preferably organic, and this happens to be French vanilla. And it comes with a really big scooper. And now we're going to mix this all up for a great meal substitute and a great pick-me-up on one of those sluggish days. Screwing the lid down tightly. We don't want to make a mess or have this leak, which sometimes happens with these machines. Now, you will notice one thing about these ingredients. Sometimes the peanut butter will stick to the wall, and so will the chia seeds become sort of gummy. I will remove the container from the NutriBullet and open it up and scrape the edges. So I'll push down that peanut butter to get it off the side. Run this along the bottom to pick up those chia seeds that are being pesky. They may remain pesky. We might have to just eat them in one big chunk. But we'll try mixing this up again a little better. That is much better. We've got a nice, thick smoothie here. Now we'll take care of the large one. Again, screw the lid down tightly. Well, I don't see any peanut butter and not much of the chia seeds stuck to the bottom, so this one did much better. I believe it's because I had more fluid. Now we have a scrumptious smoothie of frozen banana, orange, chia seed, flaxseed, and protein powder, and peanut butter. It's gonna be good, I promise. It looks fantastic, and it tastes even better. Organic chia seed and this ground organic flaxseed are both great sources of fiber and omega-3 fatty acid. As far as choosing a protein powder, that's just really up to you. It's good to read the labels and see what they have and check for fillers. We always make sure to get one that is organic and, most importantly, non-GMO. So check your label, see what you're getting, because you're putting it in a drink to be healthy.